In the Edit Rate section, we are now going to see how to set up 3 types of shipments, each having its own transit time. But be careful, don't forget to add the fulfillment time, which usually takes between 1 and 3 days. The first mode is the economic mode, which takes between 5 and 8 days, 1 day of fulfillment included, with a shipping price of $8 by referring to the rates with us for small flat rate box, with our product not exceeding £1. The second mode is the standard mode, which takes between 3 and 4 days, including 1 day of fulfillment, with a shipping cost of $12, for the same product not exceeding £1. The third mode is the express mode, which takes between 1 and 2 days, including 1 day of fulfillment, with a shipping cost of $16, for the same product not exceeding £1. You can set your shipment as you want. You can customize it for products with a weight of more than £1, or having a minimum or maximum price. You can do what you want. For the international transport, Shopify has integrated for us USP and DHL carriers, which do the calculation automatically. We thank them for this nice gift. Now, we are going to check this configuration on the store that we will set up together. We will first go to the collection, choose our product, add it to the cart, then proceed to the checkout. We see the 3 shipping methods we have set up as alternatives to our customer.